My name is Man Xiao. So I'm a full-time PhD student in Australian Rivers Institute, Griffith University. Yes, I'm from China, so I've been here for 2 years doing my PhD, and I'm working on cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria is also known as blue-green algae. They have been on Earth for over 3 billion years, so it's a really long time, and they were the oldest and first organisms to use light for energy and produce oxygen. So they will try contributing, but nowadays some cyanobacteria species, they produce toxins, so it can be very poisonous to humans and other mammals. So we have to be very careful about this organism. So always I call them green monsters. The most fascinating thing for me now is I found from my lab work when I grow these 2 specific green monsters in the lab, all the multiple strains within one species, they respond differently to different light and temperature conditions. Cyanobacteria species, because they have multiple strains, they are acting like black boxes. Since they all produce toxins, you have no idea how much toxins they will produce, and we really have to know that for managing the water supplies. Based on my work, on my models, we can kind of predict which strain will survive, which strain will just die, so we can have an approximation of the toxin production. Water authorities will manage the blooms according to our prediction results, and people will know when they will go swimming or surfing. Other times they will just stay at home. So here I'm showing you one example. One of my babies is called M2. So when I grow all these multiple strains in the lab under different light and temperature conditions, I found this one always grew to the highest cell concentrations. And when I predict from my results in the lab with my models, I found this one could win easily with when it coexists with other strains. I'm a foreign student, so when I first came here, I even had difficulties talking to people, understanding the seminars, and I feel nervous to talk to anyone else except Chinese, because I'm Chinese. I attended all the social activities from ARI. So for example, in ARI, we always have the annual ARI Symposium, which is kind of the presentation competition between the PhD students. So yeah, I feel really happy because I won the 3-minute talk from last year and the 15 minutes talk this year. I think I've improved a lot.